Good morning class. So now today we are going to discuss the two very important topic. One is atomic number and mass number. Okay, so let's start. Atomic number. Atomic number means, as you know that this is the nucleus and outside it there is the number of electrons which are revolving. Okay, as you know that according to the Bohr's, how many number of electrons are revolving around the nucleus in the different shell. Fine. Now as you know that discovery of electron and proton and neutron tell you that actually where they are inside the atom. Inside the nucleus there is a proton and there is a neutron and electrons are revolving around that. Okay, so now you know that the whole mass of the atom exists inside the nucleus. Okay, so nucleus is proton and neutron is, you know, that is a neutral particle and very less charge. Okay, so basically atomic number, it means the number of proton present in an atom. Okay, so see, so what is atomic number? Atomic number, it means the number of proton present in the atom. Okay, for example, if I will say you just tell me that what is the atomic number of helium. So helium has 2 proton in its nucleus, so the atomic number of the helium is 2. Okay, same, the nitrogen has 7 protons, so definitely it atomic number is also 7. Clear? So atomic number, it means the number of proton. Okay, now as you know that atom is electrically neutral charge. So electrically neutral, it means कि जितने positive होंगे the same amount of negative charge will be there to nullify this effect. Okay, so the number of proton जितने होंगे, it should be the number of electron also. तो number of proton is always equals to the number of electron. ठीक है, तो आप simple form में भी कह सकते हैं, as you know that कि atomic number को we are representing by the word capital Z. So atomic number equals to the number of proton equals to the number of electron. Clear? ठीक है? Okay. Now what is a mass number? So mass number, it means, as you know that who have a mass? You know that the proton have a mass and the neutron have a mass. ठीक है? So mass number, basically the mass number को you can say the mass number means number of proton प्लस नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन, कि जितने भी नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स होंगे एंड नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स होंगे, वी विल ऐड देम एंड वी विल गेट द मास नंबर. ओके, सो दिस इज क्लियर टू यू नाउ. व्हाट इज एटॉमिक नंबर? एटॉमिक नंबर, इट मींस द नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन प्रेजेंट इन द एटम, और नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन इज ऑलवेज इक्वल्स टू द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑल्सो. ठीक है. व्हाट इज द मास नंबर? मास नंबर मींस द नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन प्लस द नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन. सो होप दिस टॉपिक्स इज क्लियर टू यू नाउ. व्हिच काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन विल बी आस्क्ड in related to these two topics? So I am telling it to you here. This is the question number 12 and 13 for you. ठीक है. So now here you see the question number 13. Composition of the nuclei of two atomic species X and Y are given here. तो आपको दो species दे रखी है, one X and Y. Give the mass number of X. तो mass number of X क्या होगा? X का mass number means proton plus neutron. तो how many protons are there? X में 6, neutron is there 6. तो what will be the mass number? It will be a 12. Clear? Now Y में कितना होगा? 6 plus 8. 8 plus 6, 12, 13, 14. तो it means इसमें क्या होगा? In the case of Y, it will be 14. Clear? Now what is the relation between these two species? तो अब इन दोनों के बीच में, इस स्पीशीज के बीच में क्या रिलेशन है? ठीक है, क्या है? इनके प्रोटोन, नंबर ऑफ प्रोटोन सेम है. नंबर ऑफ प्रोटोन सेम है, इसका मतलब क्या है कि एटॉमिक नंबर सेम है दोनों का, और एटॉमिक नंबर सेम है एंड मास नंबर डिफरेंट है, तो बोथ आर आइसोटोपिक स्पीशीज. ऑल्दो वी हैव नॉट डिस्कस दिस टॉपिक, व्हाट इज आइसोटोप एंड आइसोबार. इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास आई विल डिस्कस दिस, बट यू शुड नो दैट व्हाट इज आइसोटोप. आइसोटोप मीन्स विच हैव सेम एटॉमिक नंबर बट डिफरेंट एटॉमिक masses. Clear? So these are the two isotopic species, so which you have to do. 16 question 13 question को you will do it today. Same है. Question number 12. If Z equals to 3, what would be the valency of the element? यानी कि atomic number अगर 3 है, it means what will be the electronic configuration? It will be 2, 1. Okay. Now what will be the valency? It is 1. Simple. ठीक है. So you should know how could we solve this question. So this is your work of today. What you have to do, you have to proper write the definition of atomic number and mass number, and simply you have to do the question number 12, question number 13, and a very interesting, see, number of valence electron in Cl 17 question you will do. And this question number 19 is very important, and question number 19 you have to do. See, atomic number were given it to you, in that you have to calculate the mass number, then proton कितने हैं, electron कितने हैं. Already I told you how you will calculate that. ठीक है, again I am repeating it to you. Atomic number, it means the number of proton and it equals to the number of electron also. When you are calculating the mass number, what you are going to do, you are adding the number of proton plus the number of neutron. ठीक है, so do this question. Answers I will discuss in the next video. Till then, you do that.